This video shows real-time transcription of translation of a text from English into 4 languages: Kikuyu, Swahili, Somali, and Luo.
Hello. The author of this note is John Mugana, the founder of Tiomi NLP, a multilingual AI platform giving voice to Africa. Africa speaks over 2,000 languages, but courts, hospitals, schools, and indeed all institutions operate in just 1 or 2. That means people are often left in the dark, not because they lack intelligence, but because they're not being heard. There are numerous languages used in a single courtroom. A complainant that speaks Samburu, for example, may be a speaker of another language. Kamba, the witnesses may be speakers of other languages, such as Swahili, Kimeru, Maasai, while the lawyers and the judge speak only English, the language of record-keeping in Kenya. The languages for cross-examination are all the above. Needless to say, the language issue has been a common factor for successful appeals and retrials. That's just the courts, to say nothing of hospitals, schools, and institutions more generally. Tiomi is changing that, not just for the courts, but hospitals, schools, and businesses. We're building the first many-to-many machine translation system for African languages. One that understands dialects, respects culture, and works online. Our models are co-created with local linguists, doctors, and lawyers.
So as can be seen in this output, we do have the original recording happening. The transcription of the record, what we are translating into other languages, is here in English, and we have Kikuyu translated to Swahili, English to Somali, English to Luo, all of them simultaneously. These 4 languages are unrelated whatsoever, except Swahili is Bantu with Kikuyu, and it is readable. Mwandishi wa barua hii ni John Mugane, mwanzilishi wa Tiomi NLP. It's reading exactly the same things, and therefore we see here we do have simultaneous translation of our languages in Africa, assuming this is the first time I've seen this.